Ever wanted to own a piece of your favorite store? That's what a stock is. It's like a tiny share of a big company. When you buy stock, you become a part owner. This means you can share in their success. Choosing the right stocks is important. Why? Because good companies grow and make money. This can make your money grow too. But not all companies do well. That's why we need to choose wisely. Just like you wouldn't buy a car without checking it first, don't buy stock without checking the company. This is called research, and it helps us make smart choices. Remember, investing in stocks is like picking the best fruits from a big basket. You want the juicy, ripe ones. Before buying a stock, let's look under the hood of the company. What does the company do? Do people like their products? These are important questions to ask. Look at how the company has done in the past. Have they been making money, growing their sales? This gives us clues about their future. Think about what you know. Do you love their products? Do your friends? That's a good sign. Remember, you're smarter than you think. Imagine a sports team. You want a team with good players, right? Companies are similar. Look for companies with strong leaders and smart plans. Check if the company shares its profits. This is called a dividend. It's like getting a bonus for being a part owner. Finally, see who else is interested in the company. Are other smart investors buying the stock? That's another good sign. Section 4. Not putting all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The same goes for stocks. It's safer to invest in different companies. This is called diversification. It's like having different types of fruits in your basket. If one company doesn't do well, you won't lose everything. Diversification helps protect your money. Section 5. Stumbles on the path. Even the best investors make mistakes. Don't be afraid to start small. Learn as you go. One mistake is buying a stock just because the price is going up quickly. Sometimes what goes up fast comes down fast too. Another mistake is selling a good stock too soon because you're scared. Remember, good companies can grow steadily over time. Section 6. Your journey begins. Investing in the stock market can seem scary at first, but it's like learning to ride a bike. Start by learning the basics. Then, pick a few companies you understand and believe in. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, do your research, and watch your money grow. Happy investing.